Hello parents, this is the sunflower reading wheel game. With this wheel, you can help your child get reading practice at home using alphabet sounds. Before you can use this game, it is important that your child knows the sound of every alphabet. Practice it by touching the letters on the inside plate and revising the sounds. Ask your child, what is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of Y? Y. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of D? D. Repeat this till your child knows all the letter sounds. After that, show your child how to read small words by blending sounds. For example, if your child has to read the word cat, your child will first say all the three sounds and blend them. K, A, T, cat. K, A, T, cat. Like that, once your child is comfortable blending, they are ready to play the alphabet reading game. You can see there are many different petals here, and each petal has two letters. We call this a word family. Your child will practice putting one letter from the plate together with two letters on the petal to read a word. You can choose any word family. Let us choose AD and place a clothespin on it and leave it. Your child can now spin the plate to form different words and try reading them. For example, S, A, D, sad. S, A, D, sad. Then your child can move this plate further and read T, A, D, tad. Like this, your child can keep moving the plate and read different words that they make up. Z, A, D, zad. Once your child is done or is tired, you can take a break, or you could just change the word family and place the clothespin on a different petal and leave it for your child to practice reading new words. We hope you and your child have fun reading with phonics.